Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the place that controls layout. Long press any empty space on your Samsung home screen. A compact menu appears. Tap Home Screen Settings to enter layout controls. This is faster than digging through global settings. Once inside, find and tap Home Screen Grid. That's the control that changes how many apps fit on each page. You're doing this to fit more icons or create more breathing room. Choose deliberately because grid size affects icon spacing and folder layouts immediately. Now you pick the exact grid that suits your needs. Tap the option you want. Common choices are 4x4, 4x5, or 5x5, and watch the preview update so you can judge icon density. Make sure to consider how widgets and folders will reflow. Denser grids fit more apps but make icons smaller. Once you're satisfied, tap Apply or Done. That commits the change to the One UI Home Launcher immediately so you can move on to arranging apps. Finish by reorganizing icons and folders to match the new grid. You'll likely need to drag items or resize widgets to avoid overlap. Make sure folders still display the items you want. You can open a folder and remove or add apps. If something looks wrong, icons missing or grid not applying, force the launcher to refresh. Go to Settings, Apps, One UI Home and clear cache, or simply reboot the phone. That usually fixes layout glitches without losing data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.